Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get the player that sat down on a seat, their name, yeah. So, just gonna put a seat in workspace, here. Then, there's a property called occupant, which would be the character's humanoid that sat on it. So, we could put a script that detects, that detects when the occupant changes and get the player. So first I'm going to make a variable defining the seed. Seed is equal to parent. Oops. Yeah, seed. It takes the script's parent, which is seed. Seed get property change signal occupant. So what this does, it gets whenever every time the occupant property changes, and it's an RBX script signal, so it means that you have to connect it to a function, and there are no parameter or arguments in those. So it's like nil. Um, yeah. So after you do that, you want to check if there's any occupant. If c dot occupant, then print c dot occupant. Uh, c dot occupant parent, which would be sheet clear parent. To make you understand it better, local humanoid sitting okay. So you know that the humanoid is in a character object, which means